This is my first time to ride it here. Oh my gosh. Are you scared, Kairon? Are you scared? Oh, there's the cable cars there. It's coming already. So I'm excited. Wait for it. It's coming. Hi guys! For today's video nga pala ay papunta kami sa Taif, which is located sa south part of Saudi Arabia. Ang Taif nga pala guys na lugar ay malamig at magandang puntahan kasi marami siyang mga bundok at pupunta ang balak talaga namin guys, kaya pumunta kami ng Taif ay sasakay kami sa tinaguriang nilang at famous nilang sakayan na cable car. Sa may cable car dyan guys, dadaan tayo sa zigzag road ng Taif. At ang daan pala guys ay napakatahimik kasi wala masyadong sasakyan kasi sa bandang liblib na talaga siya. Look, taas na, puro bato. Careful daw, there is a falling rocks. Oh, we went there before. No, it's not pala. You was still in my tummy before that one.
So I
traveled here before. What? It's so careful. I'm scared.
relax.
Nice.
And I rode an Ace pickup truck.
Wow, it's
No,
look at that. Look at that.
This car is meant for automatic though. But you have to. Yeah, I think it seems pretty
Look at
easy
that.
to your face, but I think.
Guys, sasakay na kami ngayon sa cable car. Ayun guys, oh. I'm scared guys, I'm scared. This is my first time to ride it here. Oh my gosh. Are you scared, Kairon? Are you scared? Oh, there's the cable cars there. It's coming already. So we'll go there and we can see the very high place there already. Oh my god. Huh?
كم هذا؟
أربعة
كم؟ بدي هناك أربعة.
Go.
أعطيه أربعة من عنده. ما شاء الله.
Oh, yeah, but there, it's coming. Yeah, hina, Joa. Oh my god, it's there. I'm excited. Wait for it. It's coming.
Hindi yan magsa-stop.
No, it will stop.
No.
No, it will stop. Be?
Go.
Go.
No.
Paano ka na? Dito kaya, para balance.
Yeah. Understood.
It's not stopping. Hindi pala siya tumitigil, guys. Pag sumasakay ka dito sa cable
I
car.
told you.
Paano lang pala, mabagal lang din naman. Kaya hindi siya nakakatakot.
Aha.
Pero mamaya, siguro, pag nasa baba, it will not close?
Pero siyempre, mag-close yan.
Akala ko hindi siya nakakakot. Babaya na tayo. Can you move, Kawan? Can you move there?
Go in the middle. Hey,
Oh, God.
stay in the middle.
Excuse me.
I told you. That's a lock.
And guys, alis na kami guys. Ayan na. Babaganyan ba ha? Ay, video mo.
Tingnan mo.
Ah.
Pag napatid yung ano, you will...
Saan?
Don't take the party.
Na, me and Kairon is here already. Kairon, say hi. Say hi, Kairon.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Si Kuya hinano. Hi, Kuya.
No, I don't want to see.
Oh my gosh. Here we go. Look at that, the view, guys. Oh my God. It's awesome.
It's beautiful, bro. Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. And the car there before, oh. Oh, there, oh, the car, oh. Yan, nagsasakyan, guys. Grabe, ang taas.
Mama dyan kanina, guys.
Hindi maputol yan ba? Hindi maputol yan? Ay, hindi tayo mamatay dito. Bismillah.
La ilaha illallah.
Susunod, ulitin. Ayan, look.
Ayun yung, ayun kanina yung dinaanan namin, oh. Ayan, oh.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. Oh my God.
Hoy, huwag ka mag-move. Mamaya, it's
Hindi daw, sabi ni Kuya guys, hindi daw kami mag-move kasi ano,
You frozen.
baka mamaya matumba. Oh my God. Guys,
Oh,
ang
my
ilalim.
ears, my ears, my ears are going to...
Ayan, ang
Water
ilalim.
pala to niya.
Saan? Water?
Wait, don't
Oh
stand
my
up.
goodness. Baba daw mo. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, ayan.
Oh, my ears, my ears, my ears. Oh, the police car.
Ah, laki naman
Papa,
kasi.
it's not moving.
Oh.
Oh, this is moving.
Oh my God. Tingnan mo yung ano, oh, yung mountain. Ayan yung mga car, guys. Oh, ayan. Diyan kami kanina galing. It's very zigzag. And very scary. Oh
But
my
I'm
God.
not scared. I'm not.
You're not scared?
Yeah.
Oh. Ang ganda na.
Puro ng picture. Picture kayo.
Oh. Yung picture.
There's a room going. Hello.
Ah. Oh my God.
No, it's blurry.
Wow.
it's
Tingnan mo,
blurry,
guys.
yeah.
Ang layo din ah.
Oh.
Doon tayo pupunta sa may slide.
Saan tayo
Yun yung
pupunta?
may asol doon.
I don't want.
Mag-rides pa kami ni Kuya sa karting.
Saan?
Love you, Papa.
So, madadaanan daw natin dito to guys yung ano, yung
Oh,
may water park din dito.
no.
Dito mabubutas kaya yung ano? Dito mabutas?
Kasama
Oh
naman
my
yun.
God.
Ha?
Kasama naman sa package yun.
No.
What's that?
He's down, look. Yan.
Kaya pala.
Mangin.
Tumatagilid.
Wait, I will sit with Kyron and you sit.
Oh, kumare.
Oh, say hi, Cameron. Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Sa car kami.
Sa cable car kami, guys.
Stop stealing my guys.
Hi. Guys, tingnan mo, oh. Ang lalim. Oh.
Oh, dito na yun.
Okay
lang yan.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Takot. Oh, there's waterfalls, oh. May waterfalls doon, oh.
Oh my
Oh.
God, that's so cool,
Oh,
bro.
wow, waterfalls.
Good.
Ayun po.
Wala namang water eh.
Ayun, may water, oh.
That's
Ang ganda lang ng view.
yeah, view is so good.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, there's a car downstairs. Down.
Yeah,
Ah,
but I can
They're
higher
there.
than the cars. Yeah,
yeah.
higher than the cars.
Ayun ang
What you
mountain,
stand it
oh.
up for? Your butt? No,
Kanina pa ang zigzag road mo.
but people
Diyan
can't
ba,
go
Oh, yan,
there
yan.
in the office.
Oh, may motorbike ko pa yun.
Saan?
Where?
Nakamotor sila.
Look, he's
Marami
over
sila.
there.
Saan?
I see a building.
Yun, marami sila.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, okay.
How is taking
Ayun.
too long? Di sila matakot.
Ayun.
Haha, we're faster than them. They're slow. Because we were ahead of them. I think they're faster because they're coming in ahead in a rapid speed.
Oh my gosh.
They're coming ahead in a rapid speed.
Magkano yung ano isa? 80?
Please don't beat us.
80 no.
It's not going
Si
to
Kyron
beat us.
3.
I heard the engine.
So 80 tayong
It's
tatlo.
again! Look, it's
Tapos si
again.
Kyron 3.
Wait,
Hindi, 280 yung lahat binayaran ko. Kasi kasama mga rides dyan sa baba.
Ah, 280.
Closer. Like,
Delikado.
that's so scary when he's way. Yung ano na lang. Then what are we here for? Why?
You wanna ride?
Ah, waterfall.
Yeah.
Pwede ba mag-ride dyan?
Oo, bakit kami doon?
why you right there?
Saan?
May brakes naman yun, di ba?
Wala namang nagra-ride sa. Ha? Ababa na kami guys. Dito kami sa kabila. Pero sasakay kami uli doon sa ano mamaya. Oh. Sasakay kami uli doon mamaya. Muna kami dito sa tindahan nila. Ayan.
Ayo.
Ayo. We gonna eat. No, you cannot go there. Oh, there's a small village here. What's tubo? Yeah, I want tubo. I want tubo. Bibili kami ng tubo, guys.
Assalamualaikum.
Bibili kami ng tubo.
Okay.
Kam, hada kam.
Ada kamastas.
Kamastas wahed?
15 riyal.
Dalawa lang.
2.
Sugar cane juice, guys. Bibili kami. Ano daw? 15.
Ako yung gusto.
Yes.
Hindi, inumin mo. Hindi mo na yun.
Papa.
No, masarap yan kasi ano yan. There the machine ang machine nila guys dyan, oh. Oh, tingnan mo guys, oh.
Sama ni hari sila mama.
Kida. Hindi, ah. Ayun guys. Sinuksok ni kuya doon sa, ano. Sinuksok niya doon. Wow, good. Oh, estimated nila, 2 baso talaga.
Putang tindi.
Thank you. Ayun ko din.
Pwede mo kuya.
Brother, share ko naman. Yan, meron na kami. Cotton candy daw. Saan cotton candy?
Putang tindi. Diba?
It's so good. Juice. Like it?
Papa, I want to.
Order ka ng ano mo. Chips daw.
Ang sarap, God.
Hindi pa yan bayad.
Tubo. May bread pala dito. Anak. And guys, dito sa station nila, bumaba kami dito. So, pwedeng, mamasyal muna dito bago bumalik uli doon sa may cable car. So, ito yung tindahan nila dito. Yan yung mga tindahan nila. May mga kainan din, mga restaurant. Ayan. Dito, oh. Yan, pupunta tayo doon sa tulo. Yan. Sila sa cable car. Ganyan gayon. Nasakay sila. Tingnan mo muna pa, baka may app. Dalawa na lang kayo ni Kyron pagbalik mo. Na? Ayun na sila guys. Ayun na sila guys. O, sa taas, oh. Takot ako sumakay kasi si Kyron baka mahulog eh. Oh, apakit kasi. Doon, oh. Oh my gosh. Ayan sila guys, oh. Ha? Kayo di Kyron. Want to ride, Kawan? Huwag mo pusin. Kawan! Look, mama. Wait lang. Good luck, Kawan.
Good luck. I want to drive.
Kawan!
Drive.
Guys, tapos na kami mag-ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.